Hello hackers, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to start ethical hacking course for you. If you are a beginner, this stream is very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and also follow me on the medium and press the bell icon for getting my latest video or live stream notification on your device. So you should subscribe this channel and if you want to learn ethical hacking or cybersecurity. So today I'm going to start from scratch and if you are a totally beginner then this video is for you because I'm going to tell you each and every command, each and everything from starting to advanced, how you can make your base strong, okay, and how to get a master's in the cybersecurity. If you want to do bug hunting or if you want to learn pen testing, how to do it, so this channel is for you because I will provide you a lot of videos regarding cybersecurity, like how you can configure your own server, how you can configure uh, your network, okay, how you can exploit it, how you can create your own vulnerable labs like Active Directory, LDAP, okay, how Active Directory works, how LDAP works, okay, so how you can exploit network, how you can exploit uh, web applications, databases, okay, and all things. Even I will teach you nimlang for red teaming. If you want to learn red teaming and create your own worms and malwares, so you can do it, okay. So okay, so as my promise I am coming with ethical hacking course. So this is the part one of course because it's a very lengthy. So I'll divide in a multiple parts and this is the first part and this is the day one of ethical hacking series. Alright. So first of all, we have to learn some theoretical part that is the basic of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. So the first thing is we have to learn about the main thing that is called CIA triad. What is CIA triad? I'll show you. Basically, it's a cycle of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It's a foundational model of information security and it represents the core principles of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So, first of all, let's learn about what is confidentiality. Basically, to hide sensitive information from unauthorized access, that is called confidentiality. Example, your Instagram ID, okay, so no one access without authentication. Your photos, your images are confidential, or if your account is private, or your mobile number, your email address, your username, okay, so these are confidentials. All right, so this is the confidential things and only authorized person can access on the server. So this is the confidentiality. What is integrity? It means, let's suppose you upload picture on the Instagram right now, okay, and tomorrow you will see your picture will be changed. So there is the integrity will loss. So the integrity means maintaining accuracy and consistency of the data. Okay, so no one can manipulate it. All right, so this is our integrity. Here is the example including the hashing to verify data. Let me show you virus total. So this is the tool. Here is the tool to verify your file integrity. So by matching a hash, you can easily verify your integrity. Okay, that's file integrity. Okay, not your integrity, that's file integrity. Okay, so let's suppose this is an image and I'll upload here. Let's confirm upload and let me show you its hash. All right, so it is analyzing right now. Okay, so these are the antiviruses. Okay, and it will like it is checking their signature and try to match it. So you can see here this is the hash, and it is used to maintain integrity of the file. So you can see here the example, the include using hashing to verify data. Okay, so this is the hash that helps to verify your data. All right, so this is the example of integrity. I hope you understand. All right, so availability, this principle ensure that the system and the data is accessible all the time, like when you can access, like when you need. All right, so by authorized user when they are needed. All right, so let's suppose you are logging on the Instagram and you didn't access on it. Why? The reason is the server lost their availability. So this is the best example. Okay. So basically the availability means is to ensure the system or a data is available when the user are needed. So this is the example. All right. So this is called CIA trade. I hope you understand what is CIA trade. All right. So this is the hash to verify your integrity. And so next move to another one. So the type of hackers. Okay, I'm not created any PPT or something like this because I think it's a waste of time for me. Okay, because I don't have any time to create PPTs or Word files for you. So I directly teach you from the Google because Google is a dictionary or it is a database. It has a huge database. Okay, so you can easily search on the Google and solve your queries. So I'm just typing here and let me try to access the answer for you. Okay, so type of hackers. So here is a multiple type of hackers. Like you heard about white hat hackers, black hat hackers, and gray hat hackers. White hat hackers who are the ethical and authorized for security, and black hat hackers they are malicious and gaining unauthorized access for personal gain or harm. And the gray hat hacker they are basically unauthorized access but without malicious intent. Okay, so they don't have any intention to harm someone, so they are just doing for fun. All right, and there are some more like script kiddies. They are initials, like they are beginners. Okay, or they do not have too much idea about hacking. They are using third party tools. Okay, so these are the script kiddies. And the next is red hat hackers, blue hat hackers, hacktivities, and state sponsor hackers. So these are the type of hackers. All right. So you have to read for okay after this class. You have to read on the Google, or I'll try to provide notes on it. Okay. So these are the type of hackers, and the next is malware. Okay, or you can say the threat types of. So these are the basic. Okay, so that's why I'm teach you right now. So, like threats are the cyber security threats are malware, ransomware, phishing, MITM, distribution denial, DOS attack, and the advanced persistent attack. Okay, so these are the attacks. So malware is basically it's a kind of malicious software that such as a virus, worms, or spy that harm your system. Okay, and it will be like it will hack your data basically. Okay, so ransomware is basically it's block the access on the system or your data. It will be encrypt your file. It encrypt your file and ask for a ransom. Okay. So the phishing attack, phishing basically it's a trick to manipulate the individual and getting some credentials of their account, which would be a Instagram account, WhatsApp account, or anything. Okay. So by using a phishing attack, so there are some different kind of phishing, like there are some types in a phishing attack. Okay, phishing, smishing, and You can see some fake websites. They are also phishing websites. Okay, they provide you some awesome offers on mobile phones, laptops, on other things. Okay, so these are phishing attacks. All right. So the next is man in middle attack. Basically, it is sitting between you and your network, and it is intercepting. They are intercepting your communication and read them. All right. So DOS attack is overwhelming a system, or you can say sending too much traffic on the system, and the server has lost their limit. Okay, so it will be crash. Advanced persistent threat, basically APTs. It's the lengthy and long-term cyber attacks designed to gain access on the network. So basically these are the attacks, and there are some type of malware. So we have some type of malwares like what I'll show you. Okay, so the malware are virus, worms, trojan, ransomware, spyware, adware, and botnet. So keylogger also, and cryptojacking. I'll teach you how you can create keyloggers, how you can create botnets, spyware, and ransomware. Okay, so I have my own some viruses, some malicious extensions, some tools. So these are helps to gain access on the victim system. All right, so I'll teach you. Don't worry. So now I hope this is the complete of theoretical. So these are some theoretical parts. So next we have to move or create a lab. So I'm using Kali Linux. You can use Parrot also. So if you want to install Kali Linux, so just go to their website, Kali Linux, and so this is the first website, http www.kali.org. So just click on the download button, and you have to install their installer image and just download from here. So it will take a time. Okay, so I'll cancel it because I have already. Okay, so and the next is Parrot. How you can download your Parrot Linux, Parrot OS. So just type here, and this is the Parrot sec.org, and just click here and click on the download, and go to the installer image, click on the download here, VirtualBox IoT. There are multiple editions. Okay, so I'm using virtual machine, so you can download, click on here, and type security version, and ARM and AMD. So, okay, if you have AMD processor, then you can download this, otherwise this, and just download from here, VMware or UTM. Okay, so now just download it. Here is a torrent. Okay, so you can check your hash also. So this is the hash to verify its integrity. All right, you can download Parrot OS from here. So now you have to download virtual machine also. So just type here VirtualBox. You can use VMware also, and WSL also. All right, so I have both WSL and VirtualBox. Just click on the download button and go to the window host, and click on here, and then so now it will start downloading on your right side, the top right panel. All right, so I have already installed. So just click on, double click on it, and next you got your virtual machine on your system. All right, so just start. Okay, all right, so how we can configure our virtual machine? So this is my virtual box, and open it, click on the new button, and just type here Kali Linux machine. All right, you want whatever you want to give a name in your machine. So here is a Linux, and ISO image. In ISO image you have to just copy. Okay, so this is my Linux machine OS, and open it, and then next. Now provide a RAM and CPU, your processor, and now next, and this is your virtual machine. Okay, so don't worry if you have a 500 GB SSD, so you can also provide 1 TB storage because it's a form of compression. Okay, so now I'll provide here 700. Okay, now it's good, 800 GB, and then finish it. And now click on the start button. Now my virtual machine is going to start. So if you are new my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. All right, you have to support me because I'm coming with a lot of stuffs. Okay, okay. So just select your language. It's English. Now continue. Select your country. You can also select India, whatever you are from. Okay. Next, base American English, and all right. So it's going to start. Now, so it's time to give host name. So you have to provide host name here. So you can also type your name, okay, and just I want, okay, I'm typing here just Horbio. So this is my host name, and then domain name you can skip. If you are using Active Directory, you can use your domain name. Otherwise, just skip it. Okay, so this is our lab. So you don't have to write domain name. So just type here full name. This is Horbio, and then type password. I also type the password here. Next. So now it's installing. Then sure you subscribe my channel. So now just use entire disk. Okay, no need to make partition here. So I recommend to a beginner, don't need to create partition. Just continue. It's simple to install. It's very easy to install. Okay. Now press continue and yes, select yes and continue. So this is the whole process to install Kali Linux in your virtual machine, and this is the same process to install in your host machine. Okay. Okay. So give me a time, and after that I will explore. So after that we will explore some tools of Kali Linux machine. Now continue and wait for some time. Okay, so let's explore some more things whenever it's installing. Okay, so hello, Vera. Hi, hi, hello, hello. Hey, how are you? How are you? Okay, so I'm showing you my Medium account and some articles regarding cybersecurity, and I have 1K plus followers on there. So just support me on YouTube, and I'll show you some paid stuff and provide some giveaways of try hack me or hack the box. So this is my Medium account, and I'm writing article here. Okay, I write article here. I write articles here. I'll show you. So these are my articles, and you can learn very good things from here. Okay, so I have 1K followers here. Just completed yesterday. So follow me on Medium, and you can read my articles. Okay, so who are the beginner and who literally wants to learn ethical hacking? Okay, my Linux machine is installing right now. Who are watching, just comment me. Hey, who are watching, just comment me. Who are watching, attend, give attendance. Oh, hey, actually, I'm deciding to teach you, and I share my knowledge with you. Okay, it's a free of cost. Just you have to press the white color subscribe button. This is the face. Actually, I am teaching you ethical hacking. I'm, so this is the part one of ethical hacking tutorial. All right. So where I'll teach you where I'm teaching you how to set up your Linux machine, how to use basically the hacking tools. Okay. So this is the part one, and in my future videos, I'll teach you how to do bug hunting, how to test web applications, how to find bugs in the web applications. All right. So just I'm trying to share my knowledge with you. All right, and it's free of cost. Don't worry. Just you have to press the bell. Just you have to subscribe this channel because and also press the bell icon for getting my videos notifications so you can easily learn and don't miss out my any videos. I'm so sorry. Actually, my mic was mute. Oh, thank you to inform me. Okay, okay. So, okay. So actually, I should repeat it. So basically, the Kali Linux is an operating system just like a window, but window is it's not a open source. Okay, and Linux is an open source. Windows is a Microsoft operating system and Microsoft based, all right. And the Linux is Debian based operating system, and it is especially designed for pen tester, forensics, digital forensics, cyber security experts, all right. And it contains a huge amount of tool for pen tester or cyber security analysts. Okay, and it is maintained by Offensive Security, and it's free and open source platform. Okay, so that's why it's very popular and also it's secure. Windows is not an open source and it's not a free. Okay, so this is the main difference between Linux and Windows. I hope you understand what is the difference between Linux and Windows. All right. So, what is open source? Basically, the open source means you can contribute there. I'll show you. So basically, the software is open. Open source means, in short, open source means you can collaborate. Okay, you can change it, you can add something there. So this is the open source. So, so if you want to see open source projects, so go to the GitHub and there are multiple projects. Okay, and you can contribute on there. Okay, so here is my Linux machine and I'll show you there are multiple tools. Okay, if you are a beginner, so you have to learn this. So there is a multiple tool. So first is reconnaissance, means information gathering. You have to gather information about the target. So just use reconnaissance tool. There are multiple tools. Okay, so we will learn one by one. And the second is resource development, and initial access means footholds. If you have a foothold, then if you want a foothold to gain foothold, so you can use these tools. And here is execution, persistent, privilege escalation, defensive, credential access, discovery, lateral movement, and more. Okay, so we will learn one by one. And before starting this, I'll share a chain, a properly a planning of cybersecurity expert, how they can execute the plan and how they get access on the system. So there is a few phase. Okay, so and we follow that phase one by one. So first is reconnaissance. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, so this is the phases of ethical hacking. All right, so here is the phases. Here is the five phase of ethical hacking. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the five phase. I don't have any PPT. Okay, so I'm teaching you from the Google. So you can search anytime, anywhere. You do not depend on my PPT. So I'm trying to teach you how to learn from the Google, because Google has a huge amount of data and you can learn each and everything from here. You don't need to take training from anywhere. You don't need to learn from, you don't have to pay from anywhere. Okay, so it's a free, learning is free in this modern technologies. Okay, so here is a Google database. You can search anything, you can learn anything. So I am trying to teach you how you can learn this. So this is the five phase of ethical hacking. So first is reconnaissance, second is scanning and enumeration, gaining access, maintaining access, and then clearance. Okay, so I'll explain one by one, and after that I'll explain you cyber kill chain. What is cyber kill chain and how we can follow it. So first of all, reconnaissance. Reconnaissance means the information gathering. So first of all, if you have a target, then you have to gather some information. Okay, so like let's suppose I have a target of one website. Okay, and let's say an example, let's take a quick example, Tesla. Okay, so first of all, I have to gather some information about Tesla. What is Tesla and in which industry they are working? Okay, like, and how many subdomains they have, how many IPs they have, how many companies they owned. All right, so these are the information: who is the CEO of, where is the company, and what is the turnover, or like according to your need you can gather their information. Okay, so let's suppose I'm a bug bounty hunter and I want to recon about the Tesla. So just I have to gather some information like hidden directories, subdomains. Okay, I can do brute force. All right, and getting some hidden credentials like username and password or publicly accessible data. Okay, so these are the reconnaissance part. I'll show you one by one in my future videos. So these are the basics. So you have to learn first. The second is scanning and enumeration. Okay, so let's suppose I got some information regarding my website. All right. So after completing the reconnaissance part, I have a subdomain. And now it's time to it's time to scan and enumerate. Means so you have to run some tools and scan subdomains and IP address and try to enumerate their information. Like let's suppose I have IP address and I have to gather their information, port scanning. Okay, so open ports and which server they are doing, where is the virtual host. Okay, and in the subdomain, any subdomain takeover happening there, so I can take over the subdomain. Okay, so these are the scanning part. Just you have to explore their vulnerability. All right, so this is the scanning and enumeration part. After getting the vulnerabilities, you have to exploit it, gaining access it. So the next phase is gaining access. After scanning and enumeration, you move to the next phase, that is called exploitation, or you can say the gaining access. Basically, you have to gain access on the server and by using vulnerability like outdated services, open ports, and default credentials. So there are a way to getting access on the system. The next is maintaining access. After gaining access, you have to maintain access on the server. Okay, so because why we need to maintain their access? Basically, let's suppose you get access on the first time, and after some time the target will restart the system, and they're disconnected with you. All right, so to maintain the access you have to inject some malicious thing, so that whenever the target start. Yes, it's like a backdoor. All right, you are getting good. It's like a backdoor. Okay, so you basically inject the backdoor, and or you can also hijack the DLL files, and there are multiple techniques. I will teach you what is how you can maintain the access. Okay, so whenever the target start the system, and your malware or your backdoor will execute and connect with your server. All right, let's suppose कि I am a victim and I am in my LAN network. Okay, so I am in my local system. So you have a VPS. Okay, and you have a static IP, and on your side you are running listener. Okay, and it is listening the network each and every time. Whenever my computer is start, I will connect it with your target. Okay, automatically. So this is the maintaining access. I hope you understand. Okay, so the next is clearing track. After gaining access, you have to clear logs. Okay, so that you can't trace by anyone. So this is the clearing tracks. All right. So let's suppose. Okay, so let's move to the cyber kill chain. I'll teach you cyber kill chain. What is the cyber kill chain processes? So basically, it's the same. It's a planning path. Okay, how you can plan your goal. So see, reconnaissance, weaponization, delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, action on object. The first is reconnaissance. I already told you what is reconnaissance, what is information gathering. Next is weaponization. According to the information, okay, you have to create your own weapon to exploit the target. So that is called a weaponization. And after that, delivery. You have to send your malware or you have to send your weapon through any technique. Like there are a multiple technique. First is phishing technique. You can send by USB, you can send by mail. So there are a different techniques to deliver your malware to the victim. All right, so the next is exploitation. You can say the execution. All right, so exploitation means you have to gain access by leverage that vulnerability. So this is called the exploitation. And installation, just you have to install that malware inside the victim machine. So this is called the installation, and after installation you got an access on your system. All right, so this is called command and control. It says C2 framework. Okay, so next is action on object. So complete your actions, complete your objectives. Okay, so this is the cyber kill chain. I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe it and support me. And if you support me, then I will give you um, learning source. Okay, I'll give you a try hack me uh, subscription in a bulk. So I'll try and I'll do my best. So I hope you understand what is cyber kill chain and how it works. Okay, basically it's a part of planning, how you plan your things. Okay, so you have to follow these phases, and after that you will successfully hack the system. You will successfully secure or hack the system. Okay, so this is basically the right timing part also, you can say. All right, I hope you understand. Just like this stream, if you understand what I'm trying to say or what I explained. Okay, can you say some example of each for reconnaissance? Okay, all right, so you can see here is example. Reconnaissance means ocean deploying. I'll show you practical. After, give me some time, I'll show practical. Okay, so the example of reconnaissance is ocean. Okay, and weaponization. uh, oh wait, I'll show you. Let's learn to get. This is our main thing. This is our main teacher. Okay, so cyber kill chain, cyber kill chain example. Okay, the example they go. The first is reconnaissance. It is ocean scanning or vendor relationship. Basically, you have to gather information regarding the target. Okay, according to your intention. Okay, so just keep in mind. Now the weaponization is a vulnerability, backdoor, malware. This is your weapon. And the next is delivery. Basically, it's a payload. It could be a email, a USB drive, okay, or phishing attack, some kind of phishing website. So these are your delivery part. And the next is exploitation. Just execute your code in the target machine. And second is installation. Basically, install the malware or tool are installed in the target machine to establish a foothold. Okay, basically the initial you can say access. The foothold means initial access. All right, and the next is C2C, means command and control. Just you have to put the command and you will get the data from the system, okay, from the victim system. So this is the example of C2 framework. Action object, like you have to exfiltration and encryption. Okay, DOS attack or something. Okay, so these are the example of action on object. I'll show you practically each and everything, don't worry. All right, okay. Hey, who are watching me, just subscribe my channel. You are okay, so my live subscribers are appears on the screen. So you can see here, we have only 981 subscriber right now. So just complete 1K, and I want right now. Okay, I hope you complete it. All right, so let's move to the Linux machine. Our Linux machine basically. So first of all, let's check here. So you can see here, my Linux machine is about to be installed. So now the GW bootloader is installing. Hey, just do comment, okay, and also give some likes. Okay, so now our installation is finishing. So okay, so I hope you understand how to install a Linux machine. Okay, so here is the installation. Thank you so much to like this stream. All right, so here is my Linux machine, and now it's completed. And after after started, so when you start this, so you open your Linux machine, you steal your Linux machine like this. Okay, and this is my terminal. Just open your terminal, and let's learn some command. So this is the basic commands of Linux machine. So you have to write it, you have to learn it. You can see here, the first thing is, the first command is who am I? Who am I? Okay, so this command is help to get the username. Okay, so this is the who am I? So just write down in your notebook, just pen down, okay, and because it will very helpful for you in your exploitation part. When you have a foothold, you have to check who is the username. Okay, what is the username, or who which user I log in. Okay, so here is the who am I, and this is the hot view. And the next is, and the next command is, let's suppose you want to check the files inside the directory, inside a particular directory. Just type here ls means list command, it is a list command. And the next is clear command, it helps to clear the screen. And you can also use control L. Let's suppose I type something here, and just type here control L, and it will clear. Okay, so now if you want to create directory, just type here mkdir and then test. So now type ls, and you can see here, here is my test directory. See, here is my text directory I have created here. Okay, so now if you want to remove this directory, just type here rmdir. So now you can see here I removed. Okay, so just keep in mind, if there is some content inside the directory, you do not delete by using rmdir command. So you have to type rm hyphen rf, and let's suppose I will, okay, let's suppose I delete my screenshot directory. So just type here screenshots and then enter. So now you can see here I'll delete it. Okay, so now you can see here I have deleted my screenshot folder. Now clear here, just type clear, and now my screen is cleared. Okay, so the next command is sudo command. Basically, if you want to get root privilege, so just type here sudo su, and it will ask for a password. Just type here password, and then I am in root user. So just check by using who am I command, then enter. You can see here this is my root user. Okay, so the next is, if you want to move one directory forward. Okay, so let's suppose I am in a home and hot view, and I want to move desktop directory. Just type here cd means change directory. This is the change directory, and type here desktop. Just type desktop. Okay, and now enter. So you can see here I am in desktop directory. Directory means folder, and it is same like a folder. Okay, so in the Linux will, like, its name is folder, and in the Windows will, like, we are saying direct, sorry, okay, in the Linux we are saying directory, and in the Windows we are saying folder. Okay, so both are same, don't confuse. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to exit from the desktop directory, you have to type just cd and space and then dot. So now I'm exit from the desktop and just clear it. Okay, so I cleared. Next is, who are watching me, just show your presence please. Okay, so the next command is ifconfig. All right, thank you Jyoti Prakash. Now here is ifconfig command to see your IP address, and this is your IP address, this is your Ethernet cable. Okay, I'm connected with my Ethernet, and here is my IP. Okay, and here is my loopback IP. If you want to see your wireless interface, so this is the wireless interface, iwconfig. Okay, so by using this command you can see your wireless interfaces. All right, so just clear here. And the next is systemctl. Basically it's a very good command to start your any service. Okay, so if you want to check your command, if you want to start your services, if you want to do stop your services, so just type systemctl command. And let's suppose I want to stop my nginx server, just type here nginx server. So now my nginx server is stopped here. Hey bro, what's up? Can you hack Wi-Fi? Yes. If you want to learn, then follow me and I will teach you how to hack Wi-Fi, how to perform DOS attack on the Wi-Fi, how to capture their handshake, and how to crack it by using your own word list. So by using, there is some tools, okay, and by using that tool you can easily crack it. All right. So just keep in mind there is some bandwidth, and according to the bandwidth we have some tools. Okay, some physical tool like adapter. Don't worry, I'll reteach you. Okay, I'll repeat again. Okay, basically systemctl is a command that helps to enable your services, check your status, check the status, and stop your services. Okay, so these are the, wait, I'm sure you in detail. Wait. Okay, so basically it's a systemctl is a basically command that helps to manage your services. Okay, so as you can see in my screen, I stopped my nginx server. Okay, so nginx is a server that I set up in my Linux machine. I'll show you. This is my Firefox, and first of all disable proxy here, and then type here 127.0.0.0.0, and then this. So you can see here, this is my Apache server. Okay, and if you want to access nginx, you have to stop this first, systemctl, then stop Apache 2. Now enter. So let's refresh it. So now I cannot access my Apache server website. What kind of services? Like FTP server. Okay, so like services are FTP, Nginx, Apache. So these are the services. Like Apache is a server, and you can also enable this service on your system. Don't worry, I will teach you what is services in detail, how we can configure these services, and this is like I will cover in the network part. Okay, so I'll teach you what is the network and how we can configure it by using a packet tracer, and also by set up some virtual machines. Okay, so don't worry, I have a multiple virtual machine. You can see here, and there is a list. This is my Ubuntu server, this is my Ubuntu desktop, and here is a Red Hat server. Okay, and here is also Ubuntu server. I'm following you already, bro, and we will start from scratch. Yes. That's why I'm teaching you from scratch. Okay. So let's okay. So now I stop my service here, and also Nginx service and Apache both. Okay. So let's check this its status. Okay. So just type here status systemctl then status, and type here Apache 2 Nginx. First of all, just check Nginx, and you can see here it's enabled, but service is deactivate right now. Okay, so that means we have to enable it if you want to access your web applications. So just type here systemctl and type start. Okay, now Nginx. Now enter. So let's try to access it. Okay, I think its port number are different, so I have to install, I have to just start Apache server first. Okay, I'll show you by enable Apache server. So now refresh my website here, and you can see here I can access my website again. Okay, so this is our services. Okay, so I can run FTP service also. For this is for file transfer, there are services. Okay, I'll cover these services in the network part. So first of all, we have to cover some basic Linux command. Okay, so okay, so the next is PWD. Okay, PWD means the present working directory. If you want to learn your, if you want to know the present working directory, just type PWD, and you can see your current directory here. Okay, so this is my present working directory. So home is home and Horview, my present working directory. And the next is, if you want to make hidden file, so just type here dot and the file name, like that like let's suppose I want to make hidden directory, so type here mkdir, and the prefix of hidden file start with dot. Okay, so this is our hidden file, it indicates the hidden file. Okay, so just type here test. Now enter. So whenever I type ls and try to check my hidden directory, I can't access my hidden directory because it's hidden. So this is the command ls and -la to check, -la to check the hidden directory. So you can see here is my hidden directory dot test. So this is my hidden directory, and you can also create file. Let me show you. So just type here touch command and test.txt. So this is my empty file. So by using touch command, you can create your empty file. Okay. So if you want to create just empty file, so just write down touch and then your file name. Right. And if you want to add something, if you want to append something inside the text file, so just type here echo. You have to type echo, and if you have some, if you have few text, let's suppose, hey, this is ethical hacking tutorial. Okay, so this is my text, and I want to append in the test.txt. So just type here test.txt. Now read, if you want to read the file, if you want to read the content inside the file, so just type here cat means and the file name. Okay, so I can read the content of my file. So hey, this is the ethical hacking tutorial. I'll show you in my editor, that is a nano editor. I'll teach you what is nano, how you can access it. So you can see here there is a text inside my test.txt. I hope you understand. Okay, all right. So okay, so the next is move command. If you want to rename, if you want to rename your file name or your directory name, so just type move command mv. And if you want, let's suppose I want to change my test.txt to subscriber.txt. Okay, so just press enter, and you can see here is my subscriber.txt file. Okay, so if I read it, and the same content inside here, I renamed my file. by using mv command. Okay, so the next second use of the mv command to move your file in another way. Okay, so let's suppose I want to move my subscribe.txt to the desktop. So paste just desktop, and I have to provide proper path here and type here desktop. So now enter. So you can see here now subscriber.txt is disappeared, and just go to the desktop. First of all, I have to clear it and go to the desktop, type cd and the desktop and press enter. Just type ls. So you can see here, here is my subscriber.txt file on the desktop. I'll show you here. Where is my subscriber? Okay, so here is my subscriber file. Okay, so this is my subscriber file. So this is the two use of move command. All right, I hope you understand. Okay, so if you have any question, so just put in the chat box. All right, so the next command is uname. Basically it is used to check your information about the OS. So just type here uname and press enter. So this is a Linux machine, and then type uname and -a. So this is the version of a Linux machine. If you want to just type here lsb release -a. So this is the proper detail of our distribution, which version you are using right now. Okay, and all about things. Okay, so this is the okay. So just pen down these commands because it will very help uh, for you, because it is very helpful for you during the exploitation. If you have a initial access, or if you want to gain some information regarding like which kind of software they are using, and which version they are using right now, so these commands are very helpful for you for your future. Okay, so just pen down it. What is -a? -a. Okay, so let's suppose if you don't have any command, if you don't know the description of any command, just type here uname and just enter hyphen help. Okay, so help. So you can see here, A means all, S means kernel name, N means node name, R means kernel release. Okay, so let's suppose I want to check my kernel name, just S. So you can see here my kernel name is Linux. All right. So if you want to check your node name, just type -n. Okay, so node name is Horbio. Basically, it's my username. And if you want to print your machine hardware name, so just type -m. So you can see here it's architecture of 64-bit. Okay, and if you want to see your processor, so just type here uname -p. And this is my processor. It cannot identify right now because it is running on my virtual machine. And the next is operating system. So just type here uname -o. So this is my GNU graphical Linux machine. All right. So this is the uname command. Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it, Jyoti Prakash? Okay. So by using help command, you can see the manual of any tool. All right. Next, move to the another command, locate command. Basically, the locate command will help to locate files in the database. Let's suppose I want to locate my file. Okay, so this is the locate command, and I want to nmap. So here is my nmap location. So these are the file location. Let's suppose I have a particular file. There is a subscriber.txt. Yes, I have created this file and I want to check the location. I don't know where is location.txt. Okay, so I exit the desktop directory and just type here locate command and type subscriber.txt. Now enter. Okay, I think it cannot detect here right now. Let me check. Okay, so let's try to find another thing. Locate Z Fisher. Okay, it's not fine. Okay, let's again locate another like inbuilt tool binary files. Okay, so just type here, just type msf console. I think I will get, just type here if MSF console. MSF console. So you can see here it's my directories of tool. Okay, so this is the locate command. Okay, so here is the help menu. Just type here help, and this is the help menu. Okay, so the next is ps command. Basically, if you want to check your processes, okay, so you can type here ps command. Okay, and if you want to check manual, so just type here man command. Okay, it's a manual of nmap. Like let's suppose I want to see the manual of uname tool. So this is the uname manual. Okay, what is the tool, how we can use it, and which are the flags there, which are the switches here. Okay, so these are the switches, and here is some additional information regarding this tool. Okay, so you can use man command, and the next is grep command. So the grep command is the function of grep command is filter something. If you want to filter, so just type here and grab that word. Okay, so let's suppose I have a file. I'll show you cat and map.txt. Okay, so here is the file of nmap, and let's suppose I want to find this word inside the file. Okay, so just type here cat and map, and by using a pipe we can use multiple commands in a single line. Okay, so just type here grep and then paste this. Okay, so I want to find this word inside the file, so just type here grep and then press enter. So you can see here is the line of http proxy. Okay, so the first command cat is reading the file nmap.txt, and the pipe is helps to running two commands simultaneously, and the grep command is help to find http proxy inside the nmap.txt. So now we have a result. I hope you understand. Got it? For cybersecurity ethical hacking, how many commands have to memorize? Basically, it's based on your practice, and whenever you run these commands every day, automatically it will fit your in your mind. Okay, so don't try to like don't take attention. Okay, just try to understand and practice daily. Okay, so I'll show you one lab that helps to uh, I'll show you one lab that helps to learn Linux and Linux commands. Okay, so there is a tool, there is a basically lab. It's a lab banded over the wire. Okay, so this is the website over the wire that helps to learn the command. Okay, so these are the level you have to complete it and just practice your command here. Okay, so this is the first level, you have to connect with the SSH. Okay, so and you can easily solve this lab and you will learn a lot of things from here. Okay, so this is the lab bandit level 0 to level 33, level 34. Okay, so you can practice your commands here. Got it? Okay, so next move to the next command. Here is a multiple commands. Okay, and you cannot remember these. Okay, all these commands. So just practice it, practice. Okay, because practice helps to remember this command. Okay, all right. So next move to the next command, echo. So if you want to print something, so just type echo. It's just like a print command, print in a Python or printf in the C++. Okay, so just type here echo. This is command. Okay, so you can see here it's printed here. All right, so basically echo is used to print something in the terminal. All right, so if you want to echo 4 multiplied by 4, echo 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so you can run it also. Okay, I'll show you how to compute this, how mathematical operation performed in a bash scripting. Okay, how you can automate your things. Don't worry, just move step by step. All right, so next command is the wget command. So this is the important command for you if you want to drop your malware inside the target machine. So w command, basically it's allowed to download the file from the internet and it run in the background and does not interfere with other processes. Okay, so just you have to type wget, and let's suppose I have a picture here and I want to explore, I want to download something from the internet. Okay, so I'll show you. Wait. Okay, so I'm trying to download one image. Copy its link, copy image address, and then paste here, and now enter. So wait, wait. I'll okay. So here is my browser, and I want to rocku.txt. So this is the word list. I want to try download this word list from the internet. So here is the link, and this is the zip file. And just enter here and copy. Go to the row, copy this link, and just paste here and enter. So now it's downloaded here. ls, when I type ls, so you can see here rocku.txt.zip file is in my system right now. All right, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dude. If you are a new my channel, I once again told you. Okay, and also follow me on Medium. Is that download anything, like we just want to paste the link only, right? You have to just paste the link and type the wget command. Okay, so you can download anything. Okay, not only the GitHub, you can download anything. Right. Okay, so the next command is short command. Basically, the short command is used to arrange the file, okay, in the sequence way. All right. So let's suppose I have one txt file. There is a user.txt. Okay, cat. I'll show you what's inside the user.txt. So you can see here. Here is my user.txt, and see, the first name is Carlo and second name is root, and I want to short it. So just type here short and type user.txt and enter. So you can see here. Now it's arranged in a sequence. So A and then C. Okay, so it's arranged, it's sorted. Next command is cal. Okay, so it's not a famous command in the terminal, but it's function to view a calendar. Okay, so just type here cal. Okay, I have to install, I think. Wait, ncal. I think it's a different tool. So just type here cal. Let's try. Okay, so now here is the calendar. All right, so this is the calendar command. Now, if you want to locate something, okay, generally we will see the exact location of the command. Okay, so you have to type here where is. Let's suppose I'm typing where is cal command. So here is the binary file of cal command. Here is a zip file of cal command. So this is the location of the cal command. Okay. So let's suppose if you want to find the detailed, so just type here df. Okay, so just type here df and it will help to get a detail of the file system, its storage. Okay, and these are the details. Okay, so next is wc command. It's a word count command. We have to, let's suppose I have a user.txt and I want to read in, okay, so here is a pipe command and just type here wc hyphen l. So it will show you how many usernames inside my w user.txt. Okay, so there is a 101 username inside username.txt, user.txt. Okay, so basically wc command, it helps to count the words inside our file. Got it? Okay, so this is the basic command, and later I'll show you some more advanced command when we start bash scripting. I hope you understand. And okay, so I need only 15 subscriber to complete my 1K. So just complete it. Okay, so happy Diwali to you. Okay, and to your family from the Horbu team. If you want to become a member of Horbu, just subscribe this channel. I'll provide you a lot of stuffs. Okay, so I'll show you. I have a free courses. Wait, on the Telegram. Happy Diwali to all. So this is my channel on the Telegram. You can see here the hacking resources, and there are multiple resources to learn hacking. Okay, so you can see here is the books, CCNA books, CCNP books, Linux books, PNPT live stream hacking, MongoDB course. It is created by me. Bug bounty course. So you can see here there is a bug bounty, JSON, Haddix bug hunting. Okay, so pen 200 2023, and I have also latest. Okay, weapon testing tools, and also courses, Active Directory course, and then like I have a multiple resources to learn. So I'll share you. Just complete my 1K subscriber as soon as possible and just support me. I'll teach you each and everything. AWS has 3 bucket leaks, how you can identify, how you can test your cloud testing, how you can find a bug in the cloud website who that is hosted on the cloud server. Okay, so like I have multiple things. Okay, like carding. Okay, and you can create your own tools, sniffing, stuffing. Like I have too much stuff to learn. So just support me and I will share on my website. Okay. Okay, who are watching me, just type on the chat box. Okay, so give me a response of Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to all and your family. Hey dude, give me a response on the chat box. I'm missing you. I hope you are watching me and I am audible to you. I'm Niloy from Bangladesh. Hey Niloy. Okay, who are living in India? So happy Diwali to them. Hey, hey. Okay, so just type your country. Where are you from? And just drop your country in the comment box. Hurry up, hurry up. So that I'll move to the next topic. Sri Lanka. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you. India, Sri Lanka. Okay, so Jyoti Prakash, happy Diwali to you and your family from the Hall Beauty. Okay, so I'm going to the next thing. Okay, it's a basic, but it's most important thing. Only 13 subscribers are left to complete 1K. So just subscribe it and drop your country in the chat box. Who didn't drop here, just drop your country here. Okay, so the next command and the next thing is that is very important to you. Okay, wait, I'll show you my GitHub directory where I upload projects. Okay, and you have to try my projects. Okay, so wait, I'll show you. So see, this is my projects. These are the private directories right now. So this is my first okay, so this is my first project, that is Tint, is a target information gathering tool, and it is helpful to gather the information regarding like host discovery, subdomain enumeration, redirection checker, status code, who is lookup, DNS enumeration, reverse DNS lookup, and basically it's a CLI friendly. Okay, so you can use this tool. Okay, and it's a publicly available right now. And my second tool is I have a multiple tools. See, okay, like Flipkart Scrapper, authentication with fast API, temporary number. Okay, and okay, let me show you one more technique, that is a social engineering technique, and it is very helpful for you to get OTPs from the uh, victims. Okay, so wait, here is my Telegram. I'll show you. Wait, I open my bot. Okay, I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, because I don't have access right now, so I'll show you tomorrow. All right. So the next thing is, okay. So firstly, tell me, have you learned this command? Have you cleared each and everything? Do you have any doubt? So just tell me before starting a new topic. I'll clear it. Link of Telegram channel. Actually, I banned on Telegram, so you can't access right now. So I'll provide my website link after a few days, because I'm creating right now, and it is in progress, and I will provide you each and everything on my website, so don't worry about it. Okay, just follow me on Medium to update yourself. Okay. Okay, so remaining audience, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Common start for what? What are you trying to do exactly? Dude, actually I'm teaching from the scratch. If you are a beginner, so this is helpful for you. Okay, so just learn it and pen down in your notebook, and step by step we'll move step by step, and you will easily understand how the hacking or cybersecurity is going. Okay, so anything else? Who are watching me? Anything else? Common start explaining we wanna learn. Actually, I do not understand your question. Okay, I think you are trying to say how you can learn it. Okay, like how you can start your cybersecurity. Okay, I think this is the question. Okay, how much time it will take today? Today, it's depending on me. Okay, only 5 subscribers are left to complete 1K. Okay, so just complete it and okay, how much that? Like it depend upon me. Basically, it's a part one. Okay, and I'll complete I'll complete some bash command and automation also in this tutorial in this live stream. Okay, so don't leave. Okay. Oh, bro, I wanna say common start. We want to learn cybersecurity. Basically, yeah, it's a common thing for all the security researchers. If you want to become red teamer, if you want to become blue teaming, okay, if you want to become a cloud security engineer, if you want to become a cloud pen tester, if you want to become Android network, anything. So this is the basic part. This is the common thing. Okay, so you have to learn first Linux operating system, networking, okay, Linux commands, bash, automation, PowerShell, and these are the basics. You have to learn it. And after that, you will choose your specialization. Like if you want to move, no, he's trying to saying hurry up. Acha, okay. Actually, ठीक है. Got it. Okay. All right. So I am starting my bash. Okay. So let's open my notes here. First, bash, bash scripting. Okay, so now I'm going to start bash scripting. Okay, I'm learning now HTML because I wanna be developer. Oh, it's good. It's good. Okay, so I'm going to start bash scripting. Okay, so first of all, before starting the bash scripting, just let's understand what is bash scripting and how we can use in the Linux machine. Okay, basically, the bash scripting is a file that containing some commands and that run on the terminal. Okay, so they are automated tasks and make your work more efficient and easy, and it will help to save your time. Okay, so how you can create a bash script? Okay, so the first, okay, so first of all, you have to open your editor. So I'm using Nano, or you can use VS Code. It's depend upon you. You can also use CodeOS. Okay. So this is my VS Code, and you can write your command here. You can see here. This is my bro. Can you teach us how to know any Wi-Fi password? You can perform Evil Twin attack. Just create fake access point, okay, or duplicate access point, and try to capture the password by using, this is basically social engineering technique. Or if you want to perform DOS attack, you can do, okay, and capture the handshake and then brute force it. Oh, okay, let's suppose in the brute force you didn't access the password. Okay, if you didn't get any password, so you can perform able to an attack. So there are some tools. Okay, Air Jordan. So you can use this tool and perform able to an attack on the Wi-Fi. This is the common technique to get Wi-Fi password. Okay. So right now, I'm trying to create one bash file. Okay. So just create your first bash file, and only 2 subscribers are left to complete 1K. All right. So how you can create your first bash file? So just type here nano and type your file name. Or okay. So this is the terminal. This is the editor, nano editor. Can you name the best tool? Oh, you can create your own tool if you have a knowledge about programming. If you have knowledge about Python, you can create your own tool and perform the attack on the Wi-Fi system. Or otherwise, you can use air. This is a tool I'll drop in the chat box. So this is for creating a fake point. Okay, so this is the tool to create a fake point, and you can easily perform able to an attack on the system and gaining password. Okay, if you have a programming language, then just create your own tool. It's the best for you. Okay, so come to the point. Here is my bash. Here is my nano editor, and I'm writing to the first script. I'm writing here my first script. So first of all, you have to provide here she and bank. So this is the she, and this is the bank. This is the bank. Okay, so she and bank. Now you have to type path of the bash. So this is the path of the bash. Okay, so you have to write first she, bank, and then path of the bash. Okay, so now just type here echo, and this is my first program. Okay, so now control S and type first dot sh. The extension of bash file is dot sh. So just type here sh and then enter. And now control X to exit the nano editor. And just type here ls. So you can see here my first program is here. So let's suppose if it's a white color, okay, if its color is white, you have to give a permission first. So just type here chmod and the plus X and just type the file name. X means execution. I will explain later what is a permission, how you can give it. So chmod plus X and then my first sh, and let's see its permission. Just type here lsla and you can see here. Okay, where is my first file? Okay, so you can see here is the read write and execution permission to the group, to the user, and or in the others. So others have only read and execute permission. Okay, so just type. So let's execute it. So there is a two method. You can use bash. Okay, bash and then your file name and enter. So now it's executed here. And second method is, so type here first this. So now permission deny. Okay, so you have to give permission first. I'm a React developer, but also know the Python a little bit, but not much, so that I can create a hacking tool from the scratch in Python. I'll teach you how to create a how to create a hacking tool in a Python, or also name. Okay, as a red teamer, I'll teach you how to create a red teaming tool. Only one subscriber are left to complete 1K subscriber, and thank you for supporting me. And definitely I'll give you too many things to learn. Okay, okay, so just come to the topic. And now, all right, so next is variables, or how you can assign the variable inside an R script. So just type here again nano and my file name, and here is my file. Okay, and now enter, go to the next line, and I want to print my name. So here is the assign variable first. Now it's completed 1K subscriber, and thank you for supporting me. All right, thank you for showing your love, and congratulations to me to completing 1K subscriber. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so assign variable. It's party time. It's party time. Okay, so now assign the variable. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Jyoti Prakash. Thank you. Okay, so now assign the variable and just type your name. All right, and type after me. I think your 1K subscriber complete. Yes, thank you so much, dude. All right, so I'm typing my name here. It's Fabio. Okay, and just print my name by using echo. Actually, YouTube banned my 5 channels. Okay, and this is my 6th channel because of hacking content. But I never give up. Finally, I got again 1K subscriber. And I also banned from the uh, Medium. There is my 2K subscriber also. Okay, I'll show you after completing the bash. All right. So next is I print my name by using echo command. So just type here echo, and if you want to access the variable, just type here dollar. Okay, and variable name, and then this. So now your variable is accessible. So just type here hello and then your name. Now control S and control X. All right. So okay. So let's execute my file. Again, wait. Okay, now enter. So command not found. Okay, I made some mistake. Wait. Nano and first. Okay, so all right. So just keep in mind and type carefully. Don't make space here. Okay, don't. Oh, bro, then we do Telegram video if you got banned. I also banned from Telegram, dude. I also banned from Telegram. I'll show you. Wait. Let me show you. Can you also teach us how to find bugs in the website? And if I want to explore in the bug fixing, hope you understand what I'm trying. Yes, I can understand. Okay, I understand what you are trying to say me. But first of all, you have to clear your basics. Okay, so you are learning web development, right? So this is the uh, good thing for you if you are going with a website. Okay, if you going with the web security. Okay, so just keep your learning in the web development. Okay, just learn. And after some time, I'll teach you how to find websites, how to find the bugs in the websites. Okay, and also I'll show my report. Okay. Okay, so I'll show you how many times I banned from the YouTube, how many times I banned a Medium, and Telegram also banned me. I'll show you. Wait. So here is my Telegram. So you can see here I cannot send message in the any group. So let's suppose here is a group, and when I try to say send any message, you can see here I can't. Okay. Let's suppose I'm going to the spam bot, and if I start, you can see here I'm sorry that you had a like unfortunately some actions can trigger and harass response, so that's why they banned me. And in the Medium, I'll show you. I have a different account here. Wait. Medium. So you can see here I also banned from here. So this is my banned channel. Okay, your account was found in a violence of the Medium. And there is my I have a good followers. I have a 2.5K right now. It's decreasing because I'm not using this account and it's banned also. So my new account is here. So now here is I have a 1K followers. See, this is my currently working account. I have almost 3+ year experience. React developer, bro. All right, dude. It's good for you. And just start from. Uh, you can start. Okay. So you have to firstly you have to complete the basics. All right. So you have to learn these things. Don't worry, I'll teach you. Okay. So now just save it. Save this file and now save this file and now Control X and now again run it. So you can see here, hello how are you? This is my first program. So now it's working properly. Okay, so one more thing, if you have like if you're working with your Linux server, so you have like the bash scripting will help you to create a backup. Okay, so if you want to take backup of your files time to time, so bash scripting is very helpful for you if you are using a Linux server. Okay, like Nginx, Apache, or the different kind of servers. Okay, Ubuntu server. So it is very helpful for you. So I'll show you how to create your backup server script. Okay, so first of all you have to learn basics. So okay, so now variable is completed. Anyone have a doubt? If you have doubt, so have you any doubt, raise your question in the chat box. Now the next is concatenation and arithmetic operator. So just clear it. Nano, then first sh, and here is, bro, I'm telling you seriously that I want to learn hacking. Development is my profession, but hacking is my passion. Also, hacking is my passion, and I don't want to make it a profession, but I want to share my knowledge with you. Okay, dude, you have to complete. Like, do you have any knowledge about Linux? Tell me, do you have knowledge about Linux? Do you have knowledge about networking? Any scripting language? If you have, then you skip this and just go to the OWASP top 10 vulnerability, learn it, and just find bugs on the website. Okay. Now, the common variable, basically, I will perform a concatenation. Basically, the concatenation is combine the two string, okay, using variables. So let's suppose here is the name. The first variable is a name, and the second variable is greeting. Now, GR okay, so the second variable is greeting. Greeting is good morning. Okay, so here is a good morning. So this is my second. Okay, now I am concatenate. Mostly I work in Windows, but I know the Linux little bit also. So you have to learn more now. So just learn it. Without Linux, you can't do anything right now, according to me. Okay, so now I'm just a second variable, and you can also concatenate this. So just type here plus and type dollar. Just type here and then greeting. Okay, you can also add plus sign. Okay, so just type this and now run my script. Okay, so you can see here it's concatenated. All right, so again go to the nano and try to perform some arithmetic operations here, and also, hey, who are watching me, just drop your country name and just type here greet dollar greeting. This is the second method, plus dollar name. Okay, now Control S, and so you can see here good morning. Okay, and nano. Just type here this, this, and this. See, zero. It's arithmetic operation. Wait, I forgot to change their values. It's 10 and it's 50. Now, so this is the method to perform arithmetic operation here. Just save it and control X and now just run it. So you can see here, this is the arithmetic operation. All right. Hey, who are watching me, just drop your country name. Muhammad Shami, where are you from? I hope understand arithmetic operation. Okay, so if you want to learn bash scripting, okay, so I have a dedicated video on it in my channel. So let me show you. Okay, see, here is a dedicated video on the. Okay, so now here is a PowerShell tutorial, here is a JS tutorial, and here is a shell scripting. Okay, so I already have uploaded bash scripting tutorial on my Linux, on my YouTube channel. So here is a master shell scripting for ethical hacking. So this is my video. You can also watch this. Okay, and it's in Hindi. By the way, I'll teach you right now. Okay, so where did you learn this stuff, bro? And is that self-study? Or if it is, say how and where? Actually, I like self-study and I learn these things. I have learned these things from my self-study, from Google, YouTube, blogs, articles, books. So these are the resources of my learning, and everything is free, but you have to invest your time. Okay, no need to take training from anywhere. I never took any training. Okay, I learn each and everything from myself, and this is my self learning. So that's why I'll teach you, because a lot of beginners don't have idea how to start, and which is the best point to start ethical hacking or cybersecurity. I think I'm I'm doing a good thing to share my knowledge with you. Okay, because I learn from the internet and I share to the internet. Okay, so leave these things and just come to the point. And now let's come to the array. What is an array? Basically, array is used to store multiple values in the single variable, and each elements in the array is accessed using the index. Okay, so you can iterate over arrays and modify their elements. Okay, so let's take an example. Just type in nano, and this is my file, and I deleted each and everything here first. Okay, so now type here few fruits. So here is my, I have a fruits. Don't give a space here. Now just type here apple. Okay, and then mango, orange, and cherry. Okay, so this is the list of fruits, and now enter. And now if you want to iterate it, just type for fruit in, and now try to access its variable. So type dollar and now curly braces and type fruit. Okay, fruits, and close this. And now just type underscore here because you want to access each and every element. And now perform do and then type echo to print and dollar and then root. Now type done. So this is the for loop inside the bash scripting. Okay. I appreciate your struggle, but also I want to keep connect with you so that I can convert my hacking passion in reality. Okay. So I want more Muhammad Shami, I want something for you. You have to teach React and web development to my subscriber. Okay. And also I want to learn it. Are you ready to teach? I'll provide you a platform where you can teach. Okay, so this is the for loop and you can just save it and now run it. So you can see here it's printed right now. Okay, so if you want to access a particular thing, so just type here indexing and just type echo dollar root roots and just type index 0 or 1. Sorry. Oh, wait, it's my mistake. Mm, Put here curly braces. Okay, now, all right, it's not printed. Wait. I mix up Python. Okay, so my screen is freezed right now. Wait. Yes, you are right. You are right, Muhammad. You are right. Okay, Nano also research and just type here this and this. Okay, now enter. Now save it, control, and then bash. Why it's not printed? My command is correct. Okay, I made mistakes. Sorry for that. Okay, so now it's correct, and again it's making trouble for me. Uh, just leave your email address. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, so now let's try to access it. So now I can access the variable, okay, element. So if you want to access here, let's suppose I want to access the third element, and now save it and just run it. So now I can access it. Okay. So here is the indexing. The first is 0. Bro, please can you show the core idea and show the real hack like in the short abstract, then say that you will add this and that with usage. Okay, so here is the array. Okay, and the indexing number of this array is the 0. Apple is on the 0, and the banana is 1, and the cherry is 2, and the date is 3rd. Okay, so now I want to access the elements inside the array. Okay, and one by one you can easily access by using their indexing number. And the apple, if you want to access the apple, just type here 0. If you want to access the banana, just type is 1. Just try to understand the concept what I'm trying to teach you. Okay, I'll show you in the tooling, I'll show you how you can use these in the red teaming part. Like if you are creating your tools, so you can use it. Okay, so I'll show you, don't worry, just learn the concept. Okay, if you try to jump, so you can't learn ethical hacking or cyber security. Okay, so just try to step by step. If you skip, you can also map and that the array in JS. Yep. In the Python you can use map also. Okay. Uh, all right. Just focus on the content here. Okay. Now apple, banana, cherry, date. Okay. So here is the indexing number, and the apple is 0, and banana is 1, cherry is 2, and date is 3. So now I want to access the date, and I put here 3. So just save it and exit, and now press this. So you can see here the date is printed right now. So you can access the element by using their indexing number. So that's it. This is the concept of array. All right. So let's suppose if you want to access array from the reverse. So just type here -1. Type here minus. Okay, -1. So from the reverse, you can't start from the 0 because 0 is starting from the left side. Okay, so now exit here, bash. So you can see here date is -1. Now nano, if you want to access -2, so let's see which element on the -2. So just type here cherry. Got it, Jyoti Prakash. Okay. Okay, so the next is data types. Okay, go to the data type. What is a data type? Basically, it's a type of data. Like there are an integer. Okay, so basically, Bash does not support the floating point or arithmetic natively. For each operation, for such like operations, consider using external tool like BC or AWK. Okay, so this is the limitation of the Bash. And the next is the comparison operator. So let's come to the comparison operator. So there is a comparison operator to compare the values or variables. So the first is hyphen equal. Okay, and the second is not equal. So let's suppose if you want to use equal to equal to, so you can use hyphen eq. Wait. Okay, so now hyphen eq. It's not visible. Yeah. Okay, just look on the terminal. So EQ means equal to. Okay, and now hyphen and E means not equal to. The next is LT. Hyphen LT means less than. Hyphen LE. Hyphen LE means less than or equal to. And the next is hyphen GT. Hyphen GT means greater than and equal to. And the next is hyphen GE is greater than and equal to. Got it? Okay. So this is the operator, and this is the comparison operator. All right. So these are the comparison operator. Don't worry, I'll provide notes. Okay, after this video. Don't worry. Now the next is string comparison operator. So equal to. So it is used to compare string. Okay, and next is not equal to. All right, and the next is greater than. Next is less than. Okay, so basically it's a alphabetically order, less than and greater than. So this is the string comparison operator. Hello, I am new watcher. Hey Soham Kumar, what's up guy? How are you? And where are you from? Happy Diwali to all Indians. Where are you from though? I think you're from India, na? Okay, so let's work with comparison operator. Okay, so firstly, let's learn about some if-else condition, how you can just type conditional statement. What is the conditional statement? Conditional statement. Okay, so basically, conditional statement is used to match the conditions. Okay, Psycho, I want to learn from you, please. I'm teaching you. Just watch my videos, please. I'm fine. Yeah, I am from India, especially from West Bengal. So happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, Soham. Okay. So the syntax of now the syntax of if else condition is this. Okay. So what is if else? Basically, if you want to match the condition, if you so there are like if you want to match condition, so you can use if else. Okay. So if means like if the command is matched, then you can print their logic. Elif means if you have a multiple condition, then you can use elif command. I'll show you example. Wait. Thank you so much. Okay. So next, third thing is else. Like it's a by default. Like your condition is let's suppose your condition do not match first and second, then the by default is else, and the file means finish. I'll show you what is the exact command. Let's suppose I want to compare some values here. Okay, let's open my first file, nano first.sh, and just delete it. Okay, so shebang and then bin and then bash. All right. So just take a variable a is equal to 1 or is equal to 10. Okay. So let's suppose you want to just compare a with your particular value. So let's compare it dollar $a or equal to hyphen eq. All right. Hyphen eq. So you have to type this and this. Okay. So just confirm the space between this and this. Okay, your variable and the bracket. So now equal to, okay, so now then type here, then echo number is, bro, are you using Kali Linux? Yes, dude, it's a Kali Linux. I also I have also uh, like complete I also teach you, I also taught you, okay, how to install the Linux in your machine. You can see here I have also installed a new Linux machine in my system. So yes, he is using. Okay, so now, okay, let's come to the topic. I distracted right now. Okay, so now a is equal to 10, and I want to. I have a condition. If the a is equal to 10, then print the number is equal to 10. Equal to 10. So this is the condition, and then type 5. Okay, so it's compulsory, and now x. Now bash. So oh, now you can see here it's working. Okay, so number is equal to 10. So let's suppose if you want to take username, so you have a read command inside a bash. So just type here nano and read. Firstly you have to type echo. Okay, so just type here, like there is a two method you can use, echo to prompt, okay, for prompt, and the second is read command, a hyphen p for prompting, and just type here enter your number. Okay, so here is a prompt and then variable name. The variable name is a, $a. Okay, sorry, I now remove from here. So now if the a is equal to 10, then print number is equal to 10. Elif, 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 and then if elif a is greater than gt, greater than 10, then type, just print here, just echo here, number is greater than 10. Okay, or else else then type else and just type echo number is less than 10. Simple. So and in the end you have to write 5. Okay, it's compulsory for all. Now save it and just run it. Now enter your number. If I type 5, number is less than 10, again run it. Now 6, again number is less than 10. If you want to run again and again without execution, so it will automatically run it. So just type here while is equal to true, right? I'll show you the looping. Okay, so just type here while true and do, give it the spaces, one, tab, 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 again tab, tab, and tab, or the next is also press tab. Okay, so So okay, so now just save it. All right, and okay, I forgot one more thing here. Just type here done. Okay, so the done is for while loop. Okay, now enter. So again run it. So enter your number 5. Okay, so number is less than 10. 4. Number is less than 10. Okay, number is equal to 10. Then 11. Number is greater than 10. Okay, now 50. Number is also greater than 10. So this is the working of while loop. I hope you understand while loop and also if else condition. So if you understand, then type yes in the chat box, drop yes or understand. Tell me what is use of using bash instead of Python. Basically, bash is a native in a Linux. Okay, you cannot use a bash in the Windows machine. Huh. I think you want to compare Python with bash. All right. Basically, both are the scripting language. Okay, but a bash is a built for a shell. Okay, and system automation. So that's why we are using. Like we don't need to extra commands or extra tools to access the bash. Okay, it's a native in a Linux. So that's why we are using. And it is helpful for automation in the Linux. And if you want to automate things in the Windows machine, so you have to learn PowerShell. Dude, VS Code is a editor. Okay. You can use VS Code to edit your code. Okay. So I'll show you how. So just type here code and type first.sh. Yes, yes. Now here is your file. Wait, I'll show you again. Here is my window and now cut it. Okay. So okay. Go to home. Where's my first.sh? Okay, so now here is my first.sh file. Now drag and drop here. So let's see. That's it. So you can edit here. Bro, I'll surely wait for your response. Hope you're well. Dude, firstly, I have to set up for you. Okay, I have to set up something for you. So I'll connect with you very soon. Okay, don't worry. Alright, so see, bin and bash. So you can also edit it in the VS Code. Okay, and it's a, a good thing. I love this editor. Can you run in the VS? Please show me once. Okay, if you are a window, like if you are using window, so you cannot run directly bash command. Okay, so if you are using Linux, so just run here. Firstly, you have to install the extension bash. Okay. Now just run here. Type here bash dot first dot sh. Okay, so go to the directory here. Cut it. Okay, So just firstly move to the directory home or bio and enter. Now bash first.sh. So now press the number. So you can see here it's working here. Okay. I'll show you how you can access on the Windows machine. Okay. Now it's working right now. Okay. So by using this, you can access or run your command here. So now I'm using VS Code to edit the command. All right. So the next thing is looping. Okay. So loops. Basically, what is the loops? What are loops? Hey, what are loops? In the bash, basically it's a repeat commands, just like other programming language. Okay, if you have a knowledge about other programming language, so it's the same in the bash language. And basically there are three main type of loops. The first is for loop. Okay. Second is while loop. In the for loop there are three type. Means, oh wait, I'll show you practically. Okay, so the first is for loop. For loop means if you have a condition. Okay, so here is a for loop. For loops check true or false until our condition is satisfied. That's the good. I hope you understand. So can I give you a syntax only? Okay. So dude, give me a break only for 1 minute. Okay, I'll come back. Give me a 1 minute only. I want to drink water. I'm back again. All right. So now, so this is the syntax of for loop. Okay, so just type your command here. Actually, I already uh, demonstrate it in the array. Okay, so I don't need to repeat again. Okay, so I think I need to skip it. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. And thanks to showing your love and support. And I hope this streaming is helpful for you and you learn something from this stream. Okay, so happy Diwali once again. And just drop the comment if you learn something from this live stream. And thanks for completing my 1K subscriber on the YouTube and showing your love. Thank you so much once again. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll meet in next part. Okay, so good night, everyone. I'm feel tired. All right. Good night. Good night. Good night. Okay, Jyoti Prakash. We'll learn tomorrow. All right, Muhammad Shami. All right, Psycho, and all.